Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I will show you guys how you can grow your Instagram account. Whether you're trying to build a brand, grow a business, or trying to become the next big creator, you're in the right place. So let's get started. First, open the Instagram app. And first step is to turn on the professional mode. If you guys haven't already turned on, I've made another video where I've showed how to turn on the professional mode. You can go and check that out. But if you have already turned on the professional mode, first what you guys need to do is use a clear profile picture of your portrait face, which should be high quality. Then don't forget to mention your name. Make sure you fill all the options and don't leave any of them empty. Then next is to post high quality contents consistently. Use Instagram Reels to boost your search. Also, you can use hashtags on your bio as well as on the content. Posting travel vlogs, then you can write hashtag travel. Then engage with your followers by putting on stickers like polls and questions. You can also collaborate with other influencers, and there you have it. These are some simple steps that can make your Instagram grow. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and comment down below if there is anything else I can help you guys with. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you guys in the next video.